I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to stop your Mac from auto-connecting to public Wi-Fi. Step 1. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and then select System Settings. If you are on an older version of macOS, select System Preferences. Step 2. Click Wi-Fi in the sidebar on the left side of the window. Step 3. Scroll down to find the section labeled Ask to Join Networks. Change this setting to Ask. This ensures your Mac will prompt you for permission before joining any new network instead of just hopping on to an open one. Step 4. Look for the setting labeled Ask to Join Hotspots and set this to Ask to Join or Never to prevent your Mac from automatically connecting to nearby personal hotspots. Step 5. Click the Advanced button at the bottom of the Wi-Fi menu. In the list of known networks, find any public networks you've used before, click the three dots next to them, and then select either Forget this network or Remove from list to remove them entirely. If you want to keep a public network in your history but just don't want it to connect on its own, you can click the three dots next to that network in the advanced list and ensure the Auto Join checkbox is unchecked. This is particularly useful for networks at places you visit often, like a library or a co-working space, where you want the password saved but want to choose exactly when you go online. You should also take a moment to look at the private Wi-Fi address setting in your Wi-Fi details. Turning this on helps protect your privacy by using a rotating hardware address, which makes it much harder for public network operators to track your Mac across different locations. It is also a good practice to ensure your firewall is active whenever you are using a public connection. You can find this under the network settings in your system settings. By turning on the firewall and blocking all incoming connections, you create a digital barrier that prevents other users on that same public Wi-Fi from scanning your Mac for open ports or shared files. If you find yourself working in public often, combining these settings with a reputable VPN service will provide the highest level of security for your professional and personal information. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.